Have you got a thing for Japanese girls?
Because we do.
Welcome to Street Race Solutions. We are a Nissan Performance and JDM specialist workshop here in sunny Toowoomba. Even though we are RB gurus, fanatics, you might say, enthusiasts. We're not addicted, we've got it under control. However, we do have quite a vast selection of engines in the shop at the moment, and looks like it's going to stay that way. We've got CA18, RB28, RB26, 2JZ, RB32,
SR20.
We got S13s,
S14s,
S15s,
SR20s. We got 18-inch wheels. We got 15-inch wheels. We've got billets. We
got Mustangs.
We've got sexy boys. We got sexy boys.
We got
Datsuns. We got Type X's.
We got catch cans. We got exhausts.
We've got intercoolers.
We got sequential gearboxes.
We've got big turbos.
We got barbecues.
We've got attractive in plates.
We got golf carts.
We've got big wheels.
Coilovers. We got airbag Cadillacs. If that interests you,
keep watching.
We have all your mechanical
and fabrication needs.
Fabrication needs covered.
In-house.
In-house.
But it's a shed.
In-shed.
So it's not a house. But it's in there.
So you either want us to work on your car, cool, pay us. Or if you want to watch us work on other people's cars, just subscribe, it's free. Until we make an OnlyFans.
Pay for premium, yo. You get the best in premium.
We got Pandem Y-body, R32, 800 horsepower RB T56 builds.
2530?
We've got 1200 horsepower VL Turbo LS Turbo 400 builds.
In the build.
We got a 2JZ S15 sequential gearbox, quick change rear end drift car build.
What else we got, Bar?
We got a RB billet block, RB32, R34 auto 1500 horsepower drag car build.
We've got one of the best attitudes you'll come across.
There's a fine line between looking busy and doing a bit, and we flirt with it every day, all right?
Every day.
So if you want to
come flirt.
If you want to come flirt with Daniel.
And Sam.
Hey.
What's up, baby?
We got cool builds on top of cool builds on top of cool builds.
Just not stacked.
Some of the biggest and baddest cars getting built coming out of Southeast Queensland. And we're only getting bigger. So if you want to be part of the elite crew that said you were here before we got big, consider subscribing today. You know how you see the comments and you see them, you're like, oh, we've been following you since 1,000 subscribers. You want to be that guy and hop on the train now because it's about to leave the station. If you want to follow along our car building journey, popping out some of the biggest and baddest cars in Southeast Queensland,
be sure to subscribe.
Follow us on all our socials, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube,
share it around.
Even got a TikTok. We are very close to moving into
Mort Street,
our other big shed. From there, stuff's just going to explode.
Like TNT, like kaboom.
Like, comment, subscribe. And if there's anything you want to see more specifically or want to know about RBs, because we'll tell you anything.
Anything.
Drop a line. Drop a line.
Except our secrets. You're done.
You're done.